My goodness, it's really flowing. First time in years I've seen this. That means the other two tanks are full, and even this overflow which runs to the dam can't keep up. So this is a first for 5 years or so. I think last time there was flooding in 2016. Chooks are running around. Still wandering in this rain. Now to try and get through this jungle. Chook yard's a quagmire. Oh, nearly tripped over. Guinea fowl complaining. Where you going? You're wet. Got a river happening on the driveway. Got a lake there. Here's another lake. And a tree that got ruined in the storm the other day.